Good morning. So, welcome to your own YouTube channel that is Learning Pathshala. And in the previous video, we all know that we have done the question number 1 of the chapter that is Understanding Quadrilaterals of class 8. Now, with exercises 3.2. Now, in this video, we will solve the rest of the questions. So, let's start. So, the first question says, find the measure of each of the exterior angle. Remember students, here we have to find the measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon. So in this question, what we have given is, we have given the number of sides of a polygon. So how we will solve this question? So let's start. So we will here use a formula. See, the formula for this solving this question is sum of angles, yeah, or each exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angles upon number of angles. So we all know that the sum of exterior angles is equal to 360 degree, and number of angles will be always equal to number of sides. For example, if this is a regular polygon, right? So it has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many angles it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. So always remember, the number of sides will always be equal to number of angles. So here, in place of number of angles, we will put number of sides, that is 9. So 9 4s are 36 and 0. So answer is 40 degree. So the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon who is having the 9 sides is 40 degree. So this is the solution of the first question. Now moving to 15th. So here again we have to do, first of all, write the formula, then put the values. The value is 360 degree upon 15. Now cut it. We will go with the smaller one. 3 5 is 15. 3 1 is 3. This one. Now 5. 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So here we will do, right, 20. So 5 into 4 is 20. So the measure of each exterior angle of a polygon whose sides are 15, so measure will be 24 degree. So this is the solution. Now moving on to the question number 3, it says how many sides. In this question, the question is asking this about the sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree. Now in this question, we have given is exterior angle is given to us, and we have to calculate the number of sides. So solution, the steps of the solution will be same. So first we'll be writing the formula. The formula is, what is the formula? Formula is each exterior angle will be equal to sum of exterior angle upon number of sides. We will write here number of sides or number of angle. So in this question, what we will do, we will put the right 360 degree here and upon 24. So it will be equal to 15. How 15 comes? See, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. Now 2 6 is 12, 2 9 is 18, 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 7 8 9 3, and this is 5 6 is 30. So if a polygon is given whose exterior angle is 24 degree, then it will have sides equal to 15. So this polygon will have 15 sides. So this is the solution of the question number 3. Now moving on to the question number 4. The question number 4 again similar. We have to find out the sides of a regular polygon if each of its interior angle is 165. In the previous questions it was given to us the exterior angle measure, but here we have given the interior angle. So the first step in this question will be finding the exterior angle. So how we will find? Suppose if I make a diagram like this and like this, so this is the exterior angle, and this is the interior angle, right? So in the exterior angle, this is suppose x and interior is given to us 165 degree. So we know that this is forming a linear angle. So sum of linear angles is equal to 180 degrees Celsius. Degree. So 165 degrees plus x degree is equal to 180 degrees. So x will be equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree. So x will be equal to how much? It will be equal to 15 degrees. So now we have the exterior angle. Putting this value in the formula, that is 360 degree upon 15 degree, and answer will be, what will our answer? Answer will be, just calculate it. It will be equal to 5 into 15. 3 1 is 3. This. Now 5 2 is 10. 11 12. 5 4 is 20. So answer will be 24 degrees. Not degree, it is the sides. We have the polygon which has interior angle was 165 degree, exterior angle we have calculated, that is 15 degree. So it will have the sides 24 sides. So this is the solution of question number 4. Now moving on to the next question, that is question number 5. So the question number 5 says, is it possible to have regular polygon with a measure of each exterior angle 22 degree? Means there is a possibility that if the exterior angle is 22 degree, so can we have the polygon? Very simple, students. So again we will put this in the question. It is equal to the number of sides we calculate. How? By just putting in the formula that upon 360 degree upon 22 degree. Now if we calculate this, what will happen? It will come about 16.36. How 16.36? Let's start doing this. So 11, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 0. Now 11, 1 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 7, that is 70. So we will do with 11 6 is 66. Again 4 point, there will be 11 is 33. Then 6. So answer will be 16.36. So this answer is, so it is not possible to have a polygon which is having this number of sides. It must be 16, 15, 14, anything, so on. So statement A will be wrong. We will not have any regular polygon whose exterior angle has measure of 22 degree. So now question next is, can it be if 22 degree is interior angle, then it is possible we can have a polygon. Now we can also calculate this. We have interior angle is 22 degree plus, same as previous question, 22 degree plus x is equal to 180. How? Like this and this is forming a linear pair, and sum of these two will be 180. So x will be equal to 180 minus 22 degree. Students, remember, putting degree is very important, so don't forget to put the degrees. It will equal to 158 degrees. Now if 158 degree, so we cannot have a regular polygon with each exterior angle 158, because like in this question 360 is not divisible exactly by 158. So the answer of both this A and B part will be no. So moving on to the question number 6. Again the statement question. This is saying, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Matlab we have to calculate the minimum interior angle for a possible regular polygon. So if we talk about the triangle, suppose this is a triangle. Triangle is also a, what's triangle? Triangle is also a polygon. So can we have, so if I take equilateral triangle, in equilateral triangle we all know that all the angles will be equal to this equal to 60 degree. This is 60 degree now, and we all know that the sum of, I will write here, sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So 60 degree plus 60 degree, 60 degree, what will have? So each exterior angle will be of 60 degree. We know that. We have, and how many sides it has? 3 equal sides, right? So equilateral triangle is a polygon which is having 3 sides. So it has how many possible interior angles? That is 3. So we will calculate, it has 3 sides. So what 180 upon 3 is equal to 60 degree. So this is the minimum angle that a polygon have. Okay. Now what is the max exterior angle possible? So exterior angle, similarly what we will do, we will extend it from here and we will calculate the exterior angle. This will be x, this is 60, 180. Now how? 60 plus x will be equal to, here we are using the linear angle property, right? So the sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. So then x will be equal to 180 minus 60. Then x will be equal to 120 degree. So equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. It is having how many sides? It has 3 sides, and the maximum exterior angle will be, how much we have calculated? It is 120 degrees. So this is our answer. So this is the solution of all the questions of the 3.2. Okay, then thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.